Hi guys, electric pruning shears are a game changer for gardeners and landscapers alike. These tools are designed to make the pruning process easier and more efficient. They work by using an electric motor to power the blades, which makes cutting through tough branches a breeze. Electric pruning shears are also great for those with mobility issues or arthritis, as they require less physical effort than traditional pruning shears. They come in a variety of sizes and styles to suit different pruning needs, from small handheld models to larger, more powerful options. With the help of electric pruning shears, maintaining a beautiful garden has never been easier. So, let's get started. Number 10, Electric Pruning Shears Cordless. This electric pruning shears is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $93. For gardeners and DIY enthusiasts who want a convenient and powerful pruning tool, the Electric Pruning Shears Cordless Battery Pruner is an excellent choice. Designed for use with Makita 18V batteries, this rechargeable pruning machine is perfect for pruning trees, bonsai plants, and other garden plants. One of the standout features of these pruning shears is their cordless design, which allows for greater flexibility and mobility while you work. You won't have to worry about being tethered to an electrical outlet or getting tangled up in cords. The electric motor of the Electric Pruning Shears Cordless Battery Pruner provides a clean and precise cut, making it safer and more efficient than traditional manual pruning shears. With a rechargeable battery, the next is Number 9, Electric Pruning Shear Garden Tree. This electric pruning shears is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $65. Gardeners who are looking for a powerful and efficient way to prune their trees and bonsai plants will love the Electric Pruning Shear. This power tool is compatible with Makita 18V 21V batteries, making it a great option for those who already own these batteries. This pruning shear is designed to cut through thick branches with ease, making it perfect for pruning trees and bonsai plants. The electric motor provides a clean and smooth cut, reducing the risk of damaging the plant. One of the best features of the Electric Pruning Shear is its rechargeable battery. This means that you won't have to worry about replacing batteries or being tethered to a power outlet while you're pruning. The next is Number 8, AIRAJ Garden Pruning Shears Set Sharp. This electric pruning shears is here with the 70% price off. Now you can get it at around $11. One of the best things about this pruning shear set is that it's suitable for everyone, including women and kids. The ergonomic design ensures that anyone can use them comfortably, without experiencing any hand fatigue. The AIRAJ Garden Pruning Shear set is also lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great choice for those who love gardening on the go. The set comes with a convenient storage pouch, so you can easily keep everything together and take it with you wherever you go. Overall, the AIRAJ Garden Pruning Shears set is an excellent addition to any gardener's toolkit. It's versatile, durable, and easy to use, making it an essential tool for cultivating beautiful gardens and bonsai trees. The next is Number 7, FUJIWARA Electric Pruning Scissors. This electric pruning shears is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $72. For gardeners looking for a more efficient way to prune their plants, the FUJIWARA electric pruning scissors are a game changer. With a powerful 7.2V lithium battery, these pruning shears make pruning tasks quicker and easier than ever before. These pruning scissors are designed to cut through branches up to 25 mm thick with precision and ease. The electric motor provides a clean and smooth cut that reduces the risk of damaging the plant, making it a safer option than traditional manual pruning shears. The 7.2V lithium battery ensures that these pruning shears are always ready to use when you need them. With a long-lasting battery life, you can get through multiple pruning sessions without needing to recharge. The next is Number 6, 1500W Brushless Electric Pruner Shear. This electric pruning shears is here with the 27% price off. Now you can get it at around $53. The professional blade is forged from high carbon steel. The blade is extremely sharp and durable. 2. Portable machine, shockproof machine and non-slip, ergonomic design, it will not be easy to feel tired after long time use. 3. Long working time, the working time of the machine is about 2 to 3 hours. 4. Low noise, good fatigue resistance. 6. Multifunctional purpose. This electric pruning shears can be used in many kinds of gardens, parks, farms, orchards and greenhouses as vine knife, tree pruning, garden shears, etc. Please allow 1 to 3 mm error due to manual measurement. Please make sure you don't mind bidding. 3. Due to the difference between different monitors, the picture may not reflect the actual color of the item. We guarantee the style is the same as shown in the pictures. Please understand, thank you. The next is number 5, LAOA SK5 Garden Pruning Shears. This electric pruning shears is here with the 71% price off. Now you can get it at around $8. If you're a gardening enthusiast, you understand the importance of having the right tools to get the job done. The LAOA SK5 Garden Pruning Shears are an essential addition to your gardening tool collection. These pruning shears are specifically designed for use in gardens, orchards, and horticulture settings. These pruning shears feature SK5 steel blades that are both durable and sharp, allowing for precise cuts on a variety of plant branches. They are also ergonomically designed with non-slip handles that provide a comfortable grip and reduce hand fatigue. This feature is especially important for those who spend extended periods of time pruning and trimming their plants. The next is number 4, Brushless Battery Pruner Electric Scissors. This electric pruning shears is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $73. Make pruning tasks easier with the Brushless Battery Pruner Electric Scissors. This cordless pruning shear is perfect for cutting through fruit trees, bonsai, and other garden plants with ease. The brushless motor ensures a powerful and efficient operation, while the cordless design provides freedom of movement and ease of use. The shear is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, which can be easily swapped for extended work periods. The ergonomic design of the pruning shear ensures comfortable and fatigue-free use. The shear is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for extended pruning tasks. Invest in the brushless battery pruner electric scissors today and enjoy the convenience and power of a top-quality garden tool. The next is number 3, Scimaker 21V Battery Electric Pruning Scissors. This electric pruning shears is here with the 44% price off. Now you can get it at around $95. Powered by 500W brushless motor 2-pack 21V 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the charger can charge both batteries at the same time. USB port on the battery makes it your another power bank. Sustains to use up to 10 hours, 2 hours fast charging. SK5 titanium plated blades, super sharp and rust-proof cuts. 1.2-inch 30mm branches. Opening of the blades can be easily interchanged between 30mm and 20mm. The blades can be sharpened or replaced. Handguard frame designed to protect hands. A small hole at the end of pruner for convenient hanging storage. Connect to the extension pole for high branches. Trimming LCD display to keep an eye on the power and cutting times. Automatically goes into sleep mode without any operation for 60 seconds. The next is number 2, LUSQI 12 PCS Cordless Pruning Shears. This electric pruning shears is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $54. To Brazilian buyers must be able to clear customs by themselves, otherwise the consequences of inability to transport will not be refunded. 2. To Korean buyers need to note their clearance serial number in the order, otherwise it cannot be shipped. 3. Except for EU countries and Singapore, this price does not include tax. If your country has a tax, pay it yourself. 4. The price of this product is set for the main countries. If the freight price in your country is too high, please contact us and give you the actual price. 5. To Russian buyers can choose to ship from Russian overseas warehouse when ordering. The next is number 1, 1280W 30mm Brushless Electric Pruner. This electric pruning shears is here with the 27% price off. Now you can get it at around $44. The professional blade is forged from high carbon steel. The blade is extremely sharp and durable. 2. Portable machine, shockproof machine and non-slip, ergonomic design. It will not be easy to feel tired after long time use. 3. Long working time. The working time of the machine is about 2 to 3 hours. 4. Low noise, good fatigue resistance. 5. Flexible in use, easy to turn, safe and reliable, easy to maintain, convenient to replace battery and operate. 6. Multifunctional purpose. This electric pruning shears can be used in many kinds of gardens, parks, farms, orchards and greenhouses as vine knife, tree pruning, garden shears, etc. So this is the best option for you to buy.